Hi, this is Linda, and welcome to 60 Seconds of STEM. Today, we're going to be talking about the littleBits code kit. littleBits are electronic components that snap together with magnets, making them easy for students to work with. The code kit comes with an Arduino bit, which means that it can be programmed with a computer. This code kit has been programmed to display a message when you hit the button. This is just one of the many inventions that your students can make with the littleBits code kit. The littleBits code kit is an invention platform that will unleash your students' creativity. And that's it, so thanks for watching.